Dear students, welcome to today's class. So today also I am going to explain a good number of variety problems from the chapter functions. Okay now? So without wasting your valuable time, so let us start our class. So today's first problem is if a plus alpha is equal to 1, b plus beta is equal to 2 and a times f of x plus alpha times f of 1 upon x is equal to bx plus beta by x and x not equal to 0 of course, then the value of the expression f of x plus f of 1 by x whole upon x plus 1 by x value is how much is asking. First of all, the given expression is this. What is that given expression? A times f of x plus alpha times f of 1 by x is equal to bx plus beta by x. So this is one functional equation. So see that what we have to find out. We have to find out f of x plus f of 1 by x. We want f of 1 by x also. Okay now. Of course, divided by x plus 1 by x value is how much is asking. Generally, this type of problem what I already told, interchange these values. In place of x, f of x. In place of x, put 1 by x. In place of 1 by x, put x. Okay, now just interchange. So now this will become f of 1 by x plus alpha times f of x plus b by x plus beta x. Here the students generally they do mistakes. What is that mistake means? They start multiplying the first, that means they try to eliminate f of 1 by x. They try to eliminate f of 1 by x. Generally in the previous solved problem we did like that only. We eliminated f of 1 by x and we got f of x. From that we started the problem. But the thing is, try to understand this problem. So here it is given we want f of x plus f of 1 by x also we want. We want both f of x and 1 by x. For that what we will do? So what you will do no? So this you call it as first equation, you call it as second equation. We want both the things, that's why add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. So a times f of x plus alpha times f of x. So that is equal to a plus alpha f of x plus alpha times f of x plus a times f of x. So this is if you add a plus alpha times f of x. So this is equal to bx plus beta x, that is equal to b plus beta x. Beta by x plus b by x, that is equal to beta plus b 1 upon x. The problem is over. So a plus alpha value is 1, b plus beta value is 2. So this is a f of x plus of course I am sorry. So this is 1 by x. So f of 1 upon x is equal to b plus beta value is 1, b plus. So this is a x plus 1 upon x. Understand this? Okay. Sorry. B plus beta value is 2. So this is a 2. This is also 2. So this is 2 times x plus 1 by x. So this is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x gives the value x plus 1 by x, which is equal to 2. 2 is the right answer. Understand? So from this problem, what how to observe? So generally, without going in a general method, so see the problem f of x plus f of 1 by x. We want both f of x and f of 1 by x. That's why just add both the equation, automatically you will get the answer. Okay na? I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to second problem. For x belongs to 0 to 3 by 2, f of x given, g of x is given, h of x is given, very clear. And a new function is there, that is a phi of x. It is the composite of h, f, g, all the three functions, your composite function. Then pi of pi by 3 is equal to. So very nice problem, very easy problem. So everybody can do this problem. So this is equal to by definition h of f of g of x. Okay now. H of f of g of x means how much? Tan x. So this is f of tan x means how much here? Here x value is how much? Pi by 3. So therefore pi of pi by 3 value you find out. So, this is equal to tan pi by 3. So, this is h of f of tan pi by 3 means tan 60. Tan 60 means root 3. So, this is f of root 3 means, so this is equal to root of root 3, root of root 3. So, this is a root x, understand. So, h of root 3 means, so this is equal to 1 minus root of root 3 whole square by 1 plus root of root x whole square. This is 1 minus root x by 1 plus root x. So, here root x means root 3 here. So, here 3, here also 3, here also 3, here also 3. Understand this? Now, rationalize the denominator. So, 1 minus root 3 upon 1 minus root 3. So, that is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square. So, that is equal to 1 plus 3, 4 minus 2 root 3 by 1 minus 3. So, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So, if you multiply minus of 2 minus root 3. Okay, now. So, we know that for tan of which value? So, pi of pi by 3, for which value you will get 2 minus root 3. Of course, afterwards we will see that minus 2 minus root 3 value. So, if you observe tan of pi by 12, 15 degrees, tan 15 degrees value is 2 minus root 3. But we want minus 2 minus root 3 means tan will be negative in the second quadrant. That means this is nothing but tan of pi minus pi by 12, second quadrant, tan 180 minus theta, minus tan theta, minus 2 root of minus 2 minus 2 root 3. So, this is equal to tan of 11 pi by 12. So, therefore, pi of pi by 3 value is tan of 11 pi by 12. So, this is a tan of 11 pi by 12 is your correct answer. Okay. So, very easy problem. The only thing is general students will do the problems up to here. Afterwards, here the speed breaker will come. First speed breaker. What is the speed breaker? 2 minus root 3. What is tan of which? Of course, they can guess all the answers are in tans. But tan of which angle is 2 minus root 3. Therefore, tan of pi by 12, 15 degrees, tan 15 degrees value is 2 minus root 3. So, if you overcome that speed breaker, the answer will be as usual you will get. Okay, na? So, I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to third problem. If f of x is equal to x square plus x minus 1 and G circle f of x is equal to 4x square minus 10x plus 5, then f of pi by 4 is equal to, it was asked in 2002. The problem is very clear. F of x is given, G circle f of x is given, is asked to find out f of pi by 4. Generally, students, they start doing this problem like this. Let us take f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, like that. So, different methods they will follow. The very easy method we can follow. The first thing is, let us start this problem with this. G circle f of x is equal to 4x square minus 10x plus 5. Now, I am going to find out G circle f of pi by 4 I will find out. G circle f of pi by 4 image. G circle f of pi by 4 image. So, what is that? So, 4 times 5 by 4 whole square minus 10 times 5 by 4 plus 5. So, that means the definition. In the function, the image of pi by 4 is this. G circle f of x is equal to 4x square minus 10x plus 5 is given. So, if you calculate this value, we will get minus 5 by 4. So, call it as 1. Okay, right. In another way also we can find out G circle f of pi by 4 means what? G of f of pi by 4. Okay, na? By definition, G of f of pi by 4. F of pi by 4 means what? F of pi by 4 means what? So, G of f of pi by 4 means what? F of pi by 4 means, so this is a pi by 4 whole square plus, so G of f of pi by 4 means what? G circle f of x means, so this is equal to 5 by 4 means wherever x is there. So, you have to substitute pi by 4 whole square. So, this is So this is a G circle f of pi by 4. So this is a f of pi by 4 whole square. So sorry, it is given as g of x. So g of x it is given. So that is G circle f of x. Okay now, right. So g of x is equal to g of pi by 4 value. So g of pi by 4 whole square plus f of pi by 4 minus 1. Okay now, g of f of 4. It is a g of x it is given. So g of f of 4 means it is a, you call treat it as a x. That means x square plus x minus 1. You call it as 2. Both are same. Both are same. G circle f of pi by 4, g of f 5 pi by 4. Same. Both are same. So can we equate these two? Can we equate these two? Yes, we can equate these two. Okay, from 1 and 2. So for this, for convenient, let us take f of pi by 4 is equal to t. F of pi by 4 is equal to t. So therefore, this is equal to t square plus t minus 1 is equal to 5 by 4. Okay, now take cross multiplication 4t square plus 4t. So if it minus 5 is there, it comes no plus. So this is equal to minus 4. That is equal to minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is a 4t square plus 4t plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is equal to 2t plus 1. 2t plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. 2t plus 1 is equal to 0. T is equal to minus 1 by 2. What is our t? F of pi by 4. So your option D is the right answer. Okay now? Right. So very, very easy problem. The first thing is G circle f of pi by 4. I have find out it. And I applied the definition G of f of pi by 4. I applied the definition. Both are same. Both are same. And I calculate the answer. Okay now? So I hope that you understand the solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to fourth problem. The function f defined from r from minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 defined by f of x is equal to x by 1 upon x square is. So the options are 1 1 b onto both 1 1 and onto option D neither 1 1 nor onto. On the whole we have to check whether it is a 1 1 function or onto function, if it is both 1 1 and onto invertible or not. So that's why I am not writing the option. So whatever may be that to check 1 1 function, first to check any function 1 1 function, there are two methods. First method, second method. First method is start with f of x1 is equal to f of x2 and that you arrive the conclusion x1 is equal to x2. Then it is a 1 1 function. Okay. Otherwise, another one is also there. You start with x1 is equal to x2 and arrive the conclusion f of x1 is equal to f of x. That is vice versa. But whatever may be that, then you will get the conclusion that f is a 1 1 function. But for all type of problems, it is not possible. The one and only one very easy method is differentiation. That is what all strictly increasing functions, that means all strictly increasing functions or all strictly decreasing functions are always 1 1 function. So what is strictly increasing function means? F dash of x is strictly greater than 0. It is f dash of x is strictly less than 0. Okay now? So if it is, first find out f dash of x, if it is greater than 0, if f dash of x is less than 0, either any of the thing, both any of the things, either it should be greater than 0 or less than 0 for all x belongs to domain of the function. Then we say that the given function is 1 1 function. Okay now, if you are not confused for some values of x, if it is greater than 0, for some values of it is less than 0, then it is not a 1 1 function and it is a many to 1 function. Okay, so this is a method to find out 1 1 function, right? So to show that onto function, so very easy method, that is codomain is equal to range. Codomain is equal to range. Understand this? So if you are able to show that codomain is equal to range, for that also we have the procedure y is equal to x upon 1 by 1 plus x square, then we will proceed that. Okay now? So let us start the solution. So here it is given that f of x is equal to x upon 1 plus x square. Now f dash of x is equal to u by v formula. that is 1 plus x square times 1 minus x into 2x times 1 plus x square whole square. So this is a x square minus 2x square. X square minus 2x square means 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square whole square. So here comes we have to decide for x belongs to real numbers. Here x is a real number. See here, domain is a set of real numbers. Codomain is minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 closure bracket. So if for some values of x, it may be greater than 0 or some values of x less than 0. See here, denominator is positive, 1 plus x square whole square is there, it is always positive. Coming to the numerator, for some values of x, for example, if you take x is equal to 1 by 2, so 1 minus 1 by 4, 4 minus 1, 3 by 4, it is greater than 0. Okay, now, for example, if you take x is equal to 2, 1 minus 4, that means minus 3 less than 0, understand? So, for some set of values, it is a greater than 0, some set of values it is less than 0, that means it is either increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing, it is going on. Therefore, f is not 1 function. It is not 1 function. That means in the given interval it is up and downs it is coming. Increasing and decreasing, increasing, decreasing. By horizontal test, if you draw a line, so it is intersecting the curve at more than number of times. Therefore, it is not a 1 function. Clear? Now, coming to onto function. Onto function procedure is same almost for all problem. Y is equal to f of x is equal to x upon 1 plus x square. This is y plus yx square minus x is equal to 0. Therefore, yx square minus x plus y is equal to 0. Okay. So, this is a quadratic equation in the variable x. X is what here? X is what? Domain. Domain means what here? Set of real numbers. Set of real numbers means it has some roots, either one root or two roots. Understand? That means its delta is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now. So, delta means b square minus 4y square greater than or equal to 0. 4y square minus 1 less than or equal to 0. 2y plus 1 into 2y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. 2y plus 1, 2y minus 1 means if you take the number line, so y belongs to closure bracket minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2. So, what is here y? Y is a range. What is that? Y is a range. Range means how much? Minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. Here what is a codomain? Minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 closure bracket. Codomain is equal to range. Therefore, it is a onto function. Okay. So, here from this what I have to observe? Whatever may be the function given, first find its first derivative. First derivative should be either strictly greater than 0. Okay. Either it should be greater than 0 or if it is greater than 0 or it should be less than 0. But we are not able to decide here. Okay. Sometimes it is greater than 0, sometimes it is less than 0. For example, don't think that here. If it is greater than 0, okay, it is a increasing function. Or it is less than 0, yes, it is increasing function. But for this particular function, it is greater than 0 or some less than 0. Both happening, both some. It is for some values it is increasing, for some values it is decreasing. Therefore, it is not a 1 function. It is a many one function. It is a onto function. Therefore, it is not a invertible. Okay, na? I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to the next problem. The function f from 0 to 3 to 1 to 29 defined by, so it is a cubic expression 2x cube minus 15x square plus 36 plus 1 is a. So, options are clear. So, 1 na on 2 okay na, right, that is why I am not writing on 1. So, right. So, already just now I told that to check the function it is a 1 or on 2, it should be either strictly greater than 1 function, it should be strictly either greater than 0 or less than 0, both should not be happen simultaneously. Okay na? So, let us say find the first derivative. So, this is a 6x square. So, this is a 30x plus 36 for one derivative 0, right. So, take common 6 common, x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay na? So, this is equal to 6 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Okay, now, so if you see the sign scheme of this expression, y is equal to 6 times x minus 2. So this is a 2, it is 3, x minus 2, 0 is 2, x minus 3 is 0 is 3. Obviously, for all values of x greater than 3, this expression is positive. For some values between which lies between 2 and 3, it is a negative. For all the values which is a less than 2 is also, it is, why? Because it is negative, it is also negative, negative into negative, positive, it is plus. That means what? This function is showing, that means f dash of x. For example, it is a 0, this is a 2, this is 3. From infinity to 2, it is increasing, it is increasing. From 2 to 3, it is a decreasing. From 3 to 4, it is increasing. So, it is showing various positions by horizontal number line test. So, if horizontal line test, if you draw a line, it is not a 1-1 function. It is clear, not 1-1 function. Not 1-1 function. Why? Because it is some values it is less than 0 and for some values it is greater than 0. Okay, it is not strictly less than 0, strictly greater than 0. So, therefore, it is not a 1-1. It is not a 1-1 function. Let us coming to onto function. So, for onto function, generally what I told, let us take y is equal to this time and writing x in terms of y is a very difficult for this type of problem. So, for that what you say, we know the range. That means find the values here 0 to 3 and 0 to 3, in between 2 is also there. Find out f of 0, f of 2, f of 3. That means range finding. So, it is a domain 0 to 3, 0 to 3 and it between 1 is the turning point. 1 is a turning point. For that also you find out. So, you find out f of 0 value, f of 2 value, f of 3 value. Okay. So, your domain is from 0 to 3 only, 0 to 3 only you are checking. Okay. So, here we got the 2 is a turning point. That means it is a turning point. So, find out f of 0, f of 2, f of 3. Definitely that point only you will get maximum value and minimum value, that is called range. So, if you see the f of 0 value is 1 and f of 2 value is 29, f of 3 value is 28. Okay, calculate this. So, already I calculated this. So, what is the range here? Range is 1 to 29. Lowest value is 1, highest value is 29. Already it is equal to codomain. So, therefore, just like previous problem, it is not a 1-1 function, but it is a onto function. Okay, na? So, I hope that you understand this solution. So, let us go for next problem. Welcome to today's problem. If the function f from 1 to infinity to 1 to infinity, here the domain is from 1 to infinity, that means including 1, codomain is from 1 to infinity, is defined by f of x is equal to 2 power x minus of x minus 1, then f inverse of x is he is asking. So, that means he is asking f inverse of x means it is a bijection, no need to check, no need to check for competitive examinations. No need to check. He is asking f inverse of x means it is understood that it is a bijection. Okay, na? So, directly we will start the bijection. Bijection means you know that onto procedure. So, that is what is that? Let y is equal to 2 power x minus 1, 2 power x into x minus 1. So, it is an exponential function. So, make it into general function. So, that is why I apply logarithms on both sides. Log y to the base 2. So, that is equal to logarithm of 2 power x into x minus 1 base 2. So, this is equal to log y to the base 2 is equal to x into x minus 1, that is a log 2 to the base 2 is 1. So, this is a x square minus x minus log y to the base 2 is equal to 0. X square minus x minus of log y to the base 2 is equal to 0. So, this is a quadratic equation in the variables x. So, here x is a domain 1 to infinity, that is a set of positive real numbers, means it has some roots. Therefore, delta greater than 0, delta greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, b square means 1 minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac plus 4 times log y to the base 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now, so this is equal to See here, we will find out the x value. Of course, it is already we know to find out the inverse function, we want x value. That's why x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. X is equal to 1 plus or minus root of 1 plus minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So, here plus or minus is given, plus or minus. So, both answers are given. So, it is a 1 plus 1 minus, 1 plus 1 minus. So, which value you have to select? That is a very, very important thing here. Okay now, right. So, here if you see here, the function is, what is the domain? So, this is a 0, 1, so on. It is a 1, so on. So, your domain is from 1 to infinity. Range is from 1 to infinity. So, this is x value, it is y value. So, that means here y greater than or equal to 1. Clearly, y greater than or equal to 1. Y value greater than or equal to 1. That means log y to the base 2 is greater than or equal to 1. Obviously, log y to the base 2 is also greater than or equal to 1. That means 4 log y to the base 2 greater than or equal to 4. Okay now, understand this. Log y to the base 2 value is greater than or equal to 0. 0. Log y to the base 2 value is greater than or equal to 0. So, 4 log y to the base 2 is also greater than or equal to 0, definitely. Okay, we want 1 plus 4 log y to the base 2 is greater than or equal to 1. The square root value is also greater than or equal to 1, that is a 1 plus 4 log y to the base 2 is also greater than or equal to 1. Let us see that if you take minus, what happens? Plus or minus, no, let us take minus, see what happens. So, if it is a minus of root of 1 plus 4 log y to the base 2, if you take, that means less than or equal to minus 1, less than or equal to minus 1. Okay now, right. So, we are multiplying with minus 1, both sides greater than or will become less than or equal to. Here 1 is there, adding 1 on both sides, that is a 1 minus root of 1 plus 4 log y to the base 2 less than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0. So, if you observe this, so this is your x value by 2 is also 0, this is your x value. So, your x value should be either 1 or more than infinity, 1 or more than 1, but here how much you are getting? Less than or equal to 0 you are getting, less than or equal to 0 you are getting. So, if you proceed like this, here your x value, that is x is equal to this value, no, this value how much we got? Less than or equal to 0 you are getting, but here x value is how much? 1 and more than 1 you have to get. That is why here minus is not permissible, minus is not allowed, minus. What you have to take? Plus. So, therefore, option B is the right answer. Understand this? So dear students, so these are the today's problem. So, the only thing is here you have to approach the analytical way. Okay na? So, I hope that you understand, you enjoy today's class with some more problems and some more concepts. In the tomorrow's class, I will stand by for you. Until then, all the best.